India has large pendency of court cases, and this has affected the judiciary ability. So in 1958, the All India Judiciary Service were first mooted by First Law Commission in its 14th report. So All India Judiciary Services are also supported by Chief Justice Conference of 1961, 1963 and 1965, and 42nd Amendment Act of 1976 made the provision for creation of All India Judicial Service under Article 312, but no such law has been made so far. So All India Judicial Service. The guidelines for the All India Judicial Service were laid down by the Law Commission in its 116th report, and recent government at the center has pushing for creation of All India Judicial Service on the lines of All India Services. Niti Aayog has also solicited for setting up of an All India Judicial Service for appointing and recruiting judges in lower court through an All India Judicial Service, and this document is taken from the Strategy for New India at 75. Currently, appointment of district judge and subordinate judiciary are done by the respective state government. But in recent time, there is a need of unify pan-India judicial service for appointing them. All India Judicial Service as a solution to judicial vacancy and lack of representation for the marginalized and the failure to attract the best talent, and reason and cause for the large number of vacancy in the poorly performing state. The issue of representation of marginalized section in judiciary is better addressed through reservation of post. In terms of appointment of judiciary, the linguistic diversity of India judge with the sound knowledge of linguistic language. This is the primary reason behind the fact that the proceeding of civil and criminal court are to be conducted in a language prescribed by the respective state government, and the merit of All India Judicial Service addresses the issue of shortage of judges in the court, reduce the pendency of case, improve the qualities of judges and hence the quality of justice, objectivity and transparency in selections of judges. Younger judges can be promoted to High Court and Supreme Court, reforms legal infrastructures of subordinate judiciary which was long pending, end the tough between judiciary and executive regarding judicial appointment. Appointing new judge will also address judicial absent absentees in many states, and the merit of All India Judicial Service. Judges need to have a clear understanding of local language for fair trial. No clarity on age bar become a concern. Minimum age eligibility is not there. Not a comprehensive solution to the basic problem of judiciary. National exam could be disadvantageous to entrance of less privileged candidate in judicial service. Local law, custom, practices varies across state. Training the judge from outside the state could become a challenge. It may hamper the career progression of state judiciary service officer. So is it all about All India Judicial Service?